Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. It's time for another mini release in the Whimsy Stamps shop. And today I'm sharing the new No Peeking stamp set. It is a 4x6 clear stamp set. It comes with 2 main images, 4 accessory images, and 2 sentiments. This cute little guy with the snow globe measures 2 1/4 by 2 3/4 inches. And that little guy measures 2 1/4 by 1 1/2 inches. I love the snow globe because there are accessory stamps that can go inside, like the snow and the Christmas tree, and then some gumballs. And then there's even a couple of extra gumballs that can be left on the outside of the little snow globe. I do have a sample to share with you today. And I really wanted to focus on that little mouse, so my background is pretty subtle with the brushed stripes background stamp and the polka dot stencil. I love how cute this little mouse is, especially with him wearing a little hat. Anyway, that finishes up this reveal video. For more information, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.